Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by enabling Circle Search immediately so the feature can bind to system services. Open Settings, go to Advanced Features, and turn on Circle Search. Grant location and microphone permissions when prompted because the tool uses spatial context. Once done, confirm Nearby Share and Samsung account sign-in so results sync. If you updated the phone recently, restart to finalize system permissions. Doing this now ensures that you draw the circle deliberately around what you want. A steady S-Pen stroke yields the best detection, and the system analyzes inside the ring for images, text, or objects. Once you lift your finger, tap and hold inside the circle to summon the Actions menu. Choose Search to query web results or Extract to pull text. Make the circle slightly larger for complex scenes so the algorithm captures context. If you need precision, zoom in first, then draw. You review results and apply filters like images, text, shopping, or translate to refine what Circle Search returns. This improves relevance quickly. If detection is poor, redraw the circle with better lighting, use the S-Pen for steadiness, or enable high accuracy mode in settings because those steps increase recognition fidelity. If problems persist, make sure permissions are intact and clear the Circle Search cache. Re-granting permissions or rebooting usually fixes lingering failures and restores normal operation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.